Hi friends, my name is Manoj Pawar and welcome again in my channel Safety Wallet. Thank you so much. Previously I have uploaded the video National Road Safety Week, and with your tremendous response, subscribe, likes, comments, really I inspired, and now I am going to tell you a new topic, that is 49th National Safety Week Celebration 2021. Who has not yet subscribed, kindly please subscribe, so that in coming days again I will bring new innovative kind of things in a safety field for you. Rather spending more time, I will go directly in a core topic. As everybody knows, National Safety Council is an autonomous body, has been established in 1966 by Ministry of Labour's Government of India. The day was 4th March. The main core interest to establish this body is to reduce the industrial injuries, industrial fatalities, and again to achieve this objective they have started the celebration of National Safety Day and Week from 1972. In every year this is like a festival in a safety field, and so this time it's a 49th National Safety Week. For every National Safety Week they are giving us a safety theme. This time the theme is learn from disaster, prepare for safer future. To celebrate the National Safety Week, always we are celebrating in a traditional way. This time I have tried to give the new innovative input to celebrate this National Safety Week. To start, or before starting this celebration program, what kind of basic things we have to be prepared, this I am going to tell you in the part first, and in part second exactly what and how to celebrate the program, that I have segregated. In the first part we have to prepare a National Safety Week celebration policy and procedure. In a policy we have to note down policy statement, then purpose, then next we have to prepare scope, schedule, a document requirement, and a responsibility and procedure. Once this written document has been prepared, the criteria which we consider in this preparation of the written document is one approach, start approach, and another is coach approach. What is start approach? S for support from the top, T for team, then A for accountability, R for reinforcement criteria, and T for timely action. And as far as concerned to the coach approach, we have to consider C for care, O for observe, A for analyze, C for communicate, and H is help. So with these two approaches we have to prepare this written document, policy and procedure. While designing this written document, we have to consider construction safety management element. So as you know, the construction safety management element has already been involved in your IMS system or your safety management system. So what are those elements? First is employment participation, second mechanical integrity, third trainings, then administrative controls, emergency response plan, contractor safety management, and one is the operating procedure. Considering this construction safety management element, we have divided all micro level celebration program in 5 major categories. First one, engineering initiatives. Next one, non-engineering initiatives. Then awareness campaign. Fourth one, social initiatives. And fifth one, rewards and recognition. These rewards and recognition will play a vital role to motivate all employees and staff to get committed with respect to occupational health and safety. Please join with me in my next video, in part second video, where I am going to tell you about micro level planning to celebrate 49th National Safety Week 2021.